Hey friends, so today is my 30-day challenge, day number 7, and I didn't do day number 7 yet, so because I was waiting for this cool storage, you guys. This is the photo storage, and you guys can get these from Michael's, but Michael only have the 4x6 and I needed the 5x7 photo storage box. So I was talking about this. So this one's 5x7 and Michael only have 4x6, but if you don't need a bigger slot like this, you guys can just buy the one from Michael, because the one from Michael is more affordable than this one. This one is from Amazon and it cost me double the price of the one from Michael, because Michael is like $14.99. So I just went with this. I know it's a little bit pricey, but I like that, you know, it's individual contained like this, and I plan to use these to transfer all of my applique piece in here. So my goal for this is to label them with this label maker, and you know, have the design print out like this, because I always forget what you know, like what applique piece go to what design. So it's good to print it out. So it's only for applique, so the design that are full stitch out, I'm not referencing them. I'm only going to give a reference number to all the applique piece. So I categorize them by season and holidays, and you know, boy or girl's birthday. So that's how I categorize it. But also I am also giving the name of like the design too. So if this is the pink polisher, I'm gonna put pink 1, and I know that it falls in it's a girl birthday. So I didn't even write. Maybe I should go back and redo this. Maybe I should write. Nah, I don't think I need to write the girl birthday. I know that when I look up on the design, like, you know, when they purchase the item on Etsy, I know that it's a girl thing, and I just need to find the reference number. So I will look up into like my girl's birthday session. So this is the girl birthday session right here, and I'll see. Okay, so it's donut design 1. So it's donut 1. So I will just look over here for donut 1. And I know that, hey, this is the applique piece for donut 1 design. So that's the whole plan. I'm gonna print out, and also print out with the thread chart in the back. I do have a color printer, but I thought I need to save some ink, but I don't like how it's not color, so maybe I might have to redo some of it. I mean, there's a lot of designs, so I might not redo all of it, but I'm gonna redo some, and maybe like the new design will be color instead of black and white like this. So that's the plan for me to utilize this, and doing this will also let me know when I'm running low on applique piece. I can cut more fabric, and that I know what fabric piece I need because I already have it in here, so I can go to find my stash. And if I runs out in my stash, then I have to, you know, use different fabric for the applique. So it depends. Some design doesn't sell too well, so I may not even need to replace them for a while. So the only thing that's been doing really well was the strawberry and the pink polisher, so I cut up a lot of it. So the one that only sell one here, one there, I only cut probably 4 or 5 pieces, and yeah, and if they runs out, I will replenish, and once my stash is out of stock, then I will just remake the design in a different color scheme. But the pink palette one, since it did really well, I chose the HTV and the fabric that will never run out of stock, like, because this one is from Hobby Lobby and they never change their stock. So I'm sure to always have this fabric always in stock. So this is all fabric from Hobby Lobby, and I like the Hobby Lobby never change like their they do change some like seasonal stuff, but their usual print, they always have the usual prints always there. But I did buy like 4 yards of it, so hopefully it lasts me a while. And if they ever decide to get rid of these two print, then I have to find different print for it. And the HTV is always there, so the HTV color is always there, so I will never like run out of it, and also like never be able to find it because they always have this HTV color. Yeah, so the only concern is fabric from Joann. So maybe eventually in the future I do want to just print the my own fabric from Spoonflower, so I will never run out of the color or the print that I need, because Joann, their stock always change. So if I found a fabric that I really like, I need to at least get 2 yards minimum. So because Joann changed their stock all the time, and you cannot find it like a year or 2 years from the date that you bought it from, so that's the goal of doing this, so I can automate my system. I have everything, I have a plan in place, a system in place, so I can just grab it and work efficiently and get my applique shirt done, because those applique shirt takes a little bit of time because you have to prepare the applique piece. And if you get this step done, you can just whip it up faster, and you can always check your stock if it's low or not, and if a design that sell all the time, you will know how much is left in here because you always use the same one over and over. Like the pink one I always know because I mainly sell this one a lot, so I will always check this one. Other one I will only check once in a while. So yeah, so you guys, I hope that this gives you some idea of how to keep your applique piece organized. If you don't work with embroidery, you don't have applique piece, maybe you can use the system for scrap. I'm gonna leave this exact box link in my description, and if you guys want the cheaper version, you guys can go look at Michael's. So yeah, so I will link this down, and you guys can use this for scrap. But this might be a little bit too expensive for scrap, so I am gonna do the scrap for day 9. So day 9 is for scrap management, so I will show you guys how I plan to organize the scraps. And I also need to get rid of some of the scraps too, like some that are too tiny, I need to consolidate them. So anyway, so do something that relates to your space and your business. If you don't have applique fabric like me, if you don't do applique like this, maybe you can do something else. So I hope that today give you guys some idea and inspire you guys to organize your space. Take care, you guys. I'll see you guys on day 9. So I'm gonna try to do day 9 with day 7 here because I didn't do day 7. So I'm sorry if today I upload a little bit more video for you guys. So yeah. Oh, and the label printer, if you guys have something like this, I just want to mention quickly, make sure you guys set to chink print, because look at it, I didn't do chink print up here. I didn't know. I was trying to remember how to make this label, and I wasted a bunch of space on this side. But after I learned that you do chink print, you can save more space like this on this side. So yeah, so this is a really neat little printer, and I will also link something similar if you guys want a label printer to label your container like this. And I will show you guys at the end to see how I finish this. Okay, take care, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.